Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So by seeing my thumbnail and title, you already know what this video is all about. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. In this video, we will explore what self-doubt is, why it happens, and most importantly, how to overcome it. Self-doubt is when you question your abilities or decision, feeling unsure and insecure about yourselves. In your personal life, it might make you avoid new opportunity or hold you back from pursuing your goals. It can also impact your relationships, making you feel less confident around others. Professionally, self-doubt can lead to missed opportunities and lower job performance. You might struggle with decisions making or hesitate to take on new responsibility, which can hold you back your career. Overcoming self-doubt is super important if you want to grow and succeed in your life. Self-doubt is that nagging feeling that you are not good enough or that you will mess things up. When you push through that doubt, you start to see new opportunity that you might have avoided before. Think about it this way: when you stop doubting yourself, you start to believe that you can handle challenges and take on new projects. This beliefs helps you take risk you might have avoided, like trying for a new job or starting a new hobby. When you act on these opportunities, you build a confidence and start seeing better results in your life. In simple terms, beating your self-doubt helps you stop holding yourself back. It opens up more chances for you to grow, learn new things, and achieve your goals. So, by overcoming self-doubt, you are really just giving yourself the freedom to reach your full potentials and make the most out of your life. Past failure and self-doubt. When you have experience of failure in the past, it can deeply impact your confidence. For example, imagine you tried out for a school play and didn't get the part you wanted. That experience might make you doubt your acting skills or feel like you are not good enough for similar opportunity in the future. Let's say you have failed an exam. Because of this, you might start doubting your abilities to do well in the future test. When another exam comes up, you might feel nervous and think, I'm not good at this, I'm probably going to fail again. This doubt can make you avoid studying hard and leading to poor results, which only reinforces the beliefs that you are not capable. In both cases, the past failure creates a fear that affects how you see yourselves and handle new situations. You might avoid trying new things or push yourselves less because you are worried about repeating the past. Overcoming these doubts involves recognizing the past failure don't define your future and that each new attempt is a chance to improve and succeed. Procrastination. Procrastination happens when you put off doing something because you are not sure you can do it well. For example, imagine you have a big project next week but you keep delaying starting it. You might tell yourself, I will do it tomorrow or I will work on it later. Here's the thing, you are not really avoiding the work because it's boring. Instead, you are putting it off because you are worried about how it will hoping you will feel more confident later, but the more you delay, the more stressed you become, which makes it even harder to start. When you finally do start, you might rush through the project, not doing your best work, which makes you more anxious about the outcome. This cycle of putting things off because you are unsure, then rushing at the last minute, often leads to stress and lower quality work. Avoidance is a bit different. It's when you haven't clear of tasks or challenges because you are scared of not doing them right or being judged. For instance, if you are afraid of public speaking, you might avoid giving presentation in class or speaking up in meetings. You might think, what if I mess up and everyone laugh at me, or what I don't know what to say, or this fear makes you avoid the situation where you might face judgment or failure. By staying away from this situation, you are protecting yourselves from the possibility of making mistakes or being criticized. It just keeps you from growing and improving. The more you avoid, the more you miss out on the chances to practice and get better. It can also make your fear seem bigger and scarier than the reality. To tackle procrastination, you need to face this fear. Start with small steps to build confidence, set clear goal, and remind yourselves that making mistakes is a part of learning and growing. Remember, it's okay to feel unsure, but don't let it stop you from trying. Each small step you take helps build your confidence and reduces the power of self-doubt. Personal triggers are specific things that make you feel self-doubt. There could be situation or people that cause you to question yourselves. For example, if you always feel nervous when you're speaking in front of a group, that's a trigger. Or if a certain person tends to criticize you a lot, their presence might trigger self-doubt. It's important to identify these triggers so you can prepare yourselves better. If you know that a particular situations like a job interview or a group project makes you doubt your abilities, you can work on strategies to handle the situations more confidently. Negative self-talk are the thoughts and voices in your head that bring you down. For example, if you make a mistake, you might hear a voice in your head saying you are not good enough or you always make things up. This kind of self-talk usually harsh and untrue. It can make you feel worse about yourself and increase your self-doubt. Recognizing this negative thought is the first step. Try to challenge these thoughts when you catch up yourself thinking something negative. Ask yourself if it's really true. For example, if you think I'm terrible at spoken English, counter it something positive like I have worked hard and learned a lot. Understanding and changing your self-talk helps reduce self-doubt and build self-confidence. By recognizing what triggers your self-doubt and dealing with negative self-talk, you can start to feel more secure and capable. Challenging negative thoughts is about spotting those unhelpful thoughts and turning them into something more positive. So, first, identify negative thought. Pay attention to when you start thinking something negative about yourself. For example, if you think, I'm terrible at math, that's a negative thought. Second, question your thought. Ask yourself if that thought is really true. For instance, think about the times when you have done well in math. This helps you see that the negative thought might be not accurate. Third, reframe the thought. Replace the negative thoughts with a more positive or realistic one. Instead of thinking I'm terrible at math, you might reframe it to I'm improving at math and I can get better with practice. Sometimes it's tough to handle self-doubt on your own. Reach out to people who can offer you support and advice. Talk to your friends who can give you a different perspective and encouragement. It's okay to lean on other people when you need it. See, it's really important to be around people who support and uplift you. These are the people who cheer you on and make you feel good about yourselves. They help you stay positive and believe in your abilities. But on the other hand, it's crucial to stay away from people who bring you down or make you doubt on yourselves. If someone is always criticizing you, making you feel bad, or making you question your worth, it's best to distance yourselves from them, even it's a family member or a friend. If their presence makes you feel worse about yourselves, it's okay to take a step back. You don't need that kind of negative in your life. Surround yourselves with those people who encourage you and believe in you. They will help you feel more confident and happier. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Lipsa Wisdom for more videos, and last, don't forget to share this video with your friend, and see you in my next one.